All right, guys, in this video, we are going to go over some more information about Iskander IDMC, Texit Coin, Bobby Gray. You know the deal. Right now, you're about to get the real. So I know Texit Coin and these guys that are following Bobby and promoting the system, they're now trying to push to you this Iskander digital mining cooperative, and they're touring the country trying to bring in new investors. Now, keep in mind, guys, I would say go for the free dinner, but don't invest a penny in this, guys, because what they're trying to do is isolate you guys in a group so that they can force the positive aspects of this project down your throat. And ultimately, if you invest in this, you are going to lose your money. And I'm going to give you some practical information in this video to explain why. So if you have logic or if you tend to follow logic, you will understand that this is a horrible investment for end users. And if they're pushing honest money so much, let them go out and create their own honest money. Let them put their own capital behind it, not your capital, because your capital is going to serve to fill their pockets. Okay. So I wanted to drop this video here because I see that they're doing these blitz calls trying to get different people that are in Texit Coin or Iskander Coin to do videos so that you guys can see different faces to say, hey, this is a success. We're doing great. Look at what we're doing. And all of this stuff is garbage, guys. These are just sales pitches to get your money. Okay. Now, let's step through some real life examples. So I did previous videos and I always check the comments, and the comments are really interesting and revealing, guys. Look at this comment here from Carlito. Okay, he said he purchased 4 miners, 3 for him and 1 for his son. So that's a total of a $4,000 investment. However, sadly, I did bring in some friends and ended up with 10 mines for 1,000 hash. I'm 61 years old. I really doubt I will ever see a penny of that money returned to me. So this was in Texit Coin, guys, and Iskander Coin is no different. They are just creating a new coin and doing the same promotion, going to run the same scam, just under a different company, okay? So consider what he's dealing with here, guys. If you grab hold of a system like this and you share this with your friends and your family, that is the power of Bobby Gray, right? That is not going to play out in your favor. You are going to end up regretting losing money to this ecosystem, and you're going to end up regretting that you referred this system to your loved ones, your friends, and your family. Okay? Don't be like this, guys, because in time, this is exactly what's going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to continue in this same realm to let you know there's nothing unique or special about Texit Coin or a Iskander network or anything like that, because this falls in line with other Ponzi schemes or other systems that take in your capital, but you as the investor typically receive nothing back. Okay, so Corazal dropped a reply. This gives you a demonstration on what's happening to participants that invest in projects like this.
Who say they are victims of Goliath Ventures. For instance, a pastor told me he invested all of his and his wife's retirement savings in the company because he knew Christopher Delgado personally and trusted him. Now he says he has lost everything they worked to build, and that both he and his wife have found that with health issues their doctors believe are because of the stress of this case.
You guys see this? So, I mean, we all know, hey, when you're paying your bills, you're trying to retire, you're trying to live a good life, and imagine all of that getting wiped out. Or even just $1,000, guys. Who out there amongst you wants to lose $1,000? Okay, this is what's going to happen if you invest in this Iskander. Furthermore, I had another comment from Chopper Timberland right here. And this too is revealing, guys, because just because Bobby Gray has set up this corporate structure does not mean you are going to benefit. They are the ones that will continue to benefit, but they're setting it up in such a way and presenting it that you would think that you're going to benefit from it. So let's get into this, guys. Chopper Timberland made an excellent point here. He says, so it's a cooperative and multi-level marketing? Really? Really, guys? Really? So how can you profit from a non-profit? That's what a cooperative company is, guys. So when you guys invest your $1,000 or more, yes, you become a partner of this cooperative. Okay. However, you get a vote and say so in what happens. But understand this, guys, your $1,000 is only going to get you one vote. There are people that got into this before you. People like Bobby Gray, it costs him nothing. He created the company and he can have as many votes as he wants to. You don't know that, but even if he put some money in, trust me, there are a lot of guys that put a lot more money in before you. Those that put in $27,000 plus, and they're getting these votes. And not only that, they came from Texit Coin. So they already know the scam. They already know that new money coming into the ecosystem is pretty much going to go to feed them. Not directly, because this is a cooperative and nobody takes out profits. But when you understand what they plan on doing with these profits or with this quote unquote investment capital coming in, well, they're going to use it to do parties, to buy properties, to do everything else Bobby was doing under his own name, including putting some money in the price to pump TXC token or this Iskander token. Now, keep in mind when it comes to that, you as a holder getting zero point 0.5 TXC or whatever ISK token you're getting, they are already front running that as well. If you're only getting half a token a day for your $1,000, guys, how long is it going to take you to just get 100 tokens, right? That's 200 days just to get 100 tokens. But look how many tokens everybody else before you is already receiving or already has. Guys, this is ridiculous. This is a ridiculous investment. And this is just a tactic and a way to smooth talk you guys into investing in this crap concept that they call honest money. Don't fall for it, guys. Do not fall for this, or you will end up regretting it, particularly if you're watching this video now and you still decide to invest after this. Okay? So when it comes to crypto scams like this, guys, feel free to hit me up on my channel, my YouTube, my Digital Crypto Solutions Forum, or I highly recommend two other people that you can go out to. Head out to Binance Stuff, become a subscriber of his channel because he goes over a lot of scams, and also Danny DeHeck because he exposes a lot of these scams as well. And when you actually spend a little time just looking into how the game is played, you'll become much more aware of the scams and the systems that people are putting in place to influence you to put your money into their system. And then you end up losing your money at the end. All right, guys, I just wanted to drop this video because they are aggressively promoting this Iskander coin. And man, I'm gonna have to check this out and see what this clown is talking about now. Just out of curiosity, right? Because guys, it astounds me how they're able to get people in. And in this video here, guys, when it talks about um, which one is it? It was one of these videos. Yeah, this video here. You're not the only one that has been suckered into this, guys. Millions of people are being suckered in every single day into these types of scams, and they don't realize the damage that it does until later. And when you have people like this that are still sitting on millions of dollars, like Bobby Gray, like this guy here, and like many others, that kind of leaves you in a position of, wow, I fed them all my money. They get to live a rich life, if only for a short period of time till they get arrested. But nevertheless, when it comes to you, you have lost out. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Hope it's informative. Hope it kind of triggers that light bulb to go off over your head so that you can be wiser with your investments. And if you venture to invest in crypto, just stick to Bitcoin, guys. It's going to be a lot easier. Learn it. And even while you're learning it, you can begin investing in it and know that that's an asset that's going to continue to appreciate over the course of time. All right, peeps, that's all I got for you, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.